go to Stars Hollow today. We have about an hour and a half to kill, so we're at the gift shop.
We're not gonna buy nothing because everything.
We're headed to our little cart. Okay, we finally finished the tour. We are officially at Stars Hollow. Just saw Luke. It was amazing. Now we're in line to get some smoothies or shakes or something. Do they know? Do they need camera footage? Okay, show them, because I only recorded it on my phone.
He blew me a kiss.
We French kissed.
Hold on. There he is. There he is. We finally left Warner Brothers. It was kind of crazy. It felt like Disneyland, not gonna lie. But we're so hungry, so we came to Ding Tai Fung. So I'm gonna show you guys everything we ordered. We're leaving the dogs because, as you can see, we're going to Disney. I miss you guys. We'll be back. I love you. Bye. We're a little late. It's like almost what? 1 o'clock?
Almost. It is 1:06?
It's 1:06, but we plan to be here pretty much to the night, so we'll be good. My little poo says hi. Yay!
Manteniendo sus manos.
Bro hasn't taken his picture yet for his.
All year.
It's not your first time here.
All year.
All year. Okay, okay, it's been 6 days. Jeez Louise.
It's been too long.
We did it! We made it in! Okay, waiting on Esperanza and Alex. Let's go! First stop, churros! Are you excited for your churros?
This is what I came for.
Yeah. I'm excited.
3 of these today.
What?
I'm gonna have 3 churros today.
3?
4.
4?
Yep. Let's do
No,
it.
you guys are gonna throw up.
I'm down.
No. Wow, 78 versus 5,000. Congratulations! I suck at this.
Come on, we gotta hop out, baby. Record you hopping out.
I'm officially the worst.
Good job, Snake Rangers.
It's like the sound trying to get Pokemon cards. That's nice.
But it looks like your coffee, so it matches.
So Esperanza owes me a Winnie the Pooh because I got one, but then her dog chewed mine. So here you go. I like that one. We have been at Disney for how many hours have we been here? Maybe like
6 hours?
like 6 hours. So now we're headed to California Adventure. We're gonna go do some Dole Whip shots. Oh, look at the dog. What a cutie. I'm just happy I got my Winnie the Pooh.
You got it. Now you gotta keep him secure.
I know, I gotta keep it safe from my sister's dog. He'll eat it again for sure. Okay, we lost my sister and her boyfriend, so we're trying to find them. Oh, I spotted them. Those losers over there. These losers over here. You disgust me.
They're exhausted.
Get some energy. Let's go. On our way out to California Adventures, we decided to wait for the tree lighting because we only have 15 minutes left. So we are sitting, waiting. This is our view.
2, 3, happy holidays!
What are we gonna eat?
Hot Cheetos and pickles.
Hot Cheetos and pickles is a snack. I need food now. Honestly, there's something about California Adventures. It's like a tiny bit more fun than actual Disneyland, but I just love them both so much at the same time. They both bring me joy, genuinely. Oh, Alex, oh my gosh. Dude, you have a rat on your shoulder. Oh, I can't wait. It looks cute. In the many years I've been to Disney, I've never gone on the Monsters Inc. ride. How did we let this happen? Scare me.
Sweet monster in disguise!
I heard those doors set up on the scare floor. Race you to the scare floor.
Okay, that was 10 out of 10 worth the wait. I
That's
loved
cute.
it.
Y'all.
I am literally not kidding. This hot chocolate is a 10 out of 10. It is amazing. So rich, creamy.
I like it better frozen.
You like the frozen one better?
Frozen is the way to go.
No, I think hot is the way to go. On a cold winter day, are you kidding? Amazing. Okay, we're gonna go wait in line for cars now.
Right? Let's ask this.
The wait time was 70 minutes and we're not gonna do that, so we're gonna do single riders, which is like a 30-minute wait. But I'll be waiting with my hot chocolate, so I'm so happy because the line for cars said 70 minutes and we ended up getting on in like 26. So exciting.
Du har fått det själv.
Yeah!
We lost.
Damn it! Woo! We made it! Alright, we are ending the night at California Adventures. I'm waiting for my sister to get off in Credit Coaster. I am way too much of a weenie to get on. Yes, she did get on twice. We just watched the light water show that they do here. It is so cute. We found some cute seats behind the Ferris wheel. So hack, there's no one back there. But you don't get to see the show all the way. But it's still really cute, a cute moment. And now we're watching the fireworks from Disney. Here, let me show you. You can see they're all the way over there. But still cute. It's already 9:40, so we will be heading out soon. But luckily for us, we have the pass, so we will be back. But yeah.